Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is another turbans video, but this time showing you a new hairstyle that I kind of wish I would have incorporated in the first video that I did. From that video there was a lot of questions like where I get my turbans and what happens if you have extremely short hair and you can't do the bun. So we're gonna start with that. You're gonna take any old fabric that you have and just fold it up. And what you're gonna do is once it looks like this, you're gonna go ahead and start rolling it up like a cinnamon roll and just get it as thick or as wide as you want. And then to seal it, you're just gonna take a scrunchie or a hair tie, and there you go. You have like a little donut, little cinnamon roll that if you don't have enough hair to make the big bun on top of your head, you just pretty much do this. I pulled my hair back to show you a little demonstration on how that would exactly work. I didn't tie the turban how I normally would because I'm going to be showing you that later on, but just so that you can get an idea, that's kind of how the bun would end up looking. Pretty full, and it looks like you have a bun. Moving on to the hairstyle. The first thing I did was separate the hair that I didn't want tucked into the bun. This does not have to be perfect, so as you can see, I didn't even try imparting this hair. And I put it up into a little bantu knot so it wasn't in my way. And then I tucked up the rest of the hair, but really I just kind of left it out so that my bun could be bigger because my hair isn't that long, you know, so it's a little illusion. Once I had that situated, you're gonna go ahead and take your headscarf. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull down the fabric as I'm doing here, and then tying it like you would do with a shoelace. And once you have that situated, I'm gonna go ahead and again grab the fabric and just pull it down to make sure that the bun area looks pretty okay. And then on the sides, you're gonna go ahead and twist them. And on the back of that bun, I tied it again like a shoelace. And once I bring it back forward, you tuck it in. I hope the visuals and hearing me talk make sense because I know that just hearing the words probably makes no sense at all. Once you got that, I went ahead and just wetted the front section of the hair to get it to curl up a little bit more. I brushed that out, but the braids that I had done, I didn't like the way I parted it, so that's why my hair is already dried in this clip. So I went ahead and I redid my braids, but this time with like a side part. I think a side part sort of suits my face a little more. You do whatever you feel works best for you. And I braided it. I took some leave-in product and I twisted and finger combed the end so that they would curl a little bit. And then you can go ahead and add a hair jewel. I added a seashell because I wanted a seashell. And this is the finished look. Effortless for just a lazy hair day, a rainy day, or for a day that you just want to protect your curly hair from heat, rain, sunshine, all that good stuff. Finally, where do I buy my headscarves? I've actually commented this on a couple of videos. My last video, I sort of talked about this, but I'm going to mention it in this video again. So, the first one is this store called DARA. I'm saying it with a super Spanish accent, but this is where this headscarf is from, and I think I only have 2 from there. The other ones that a lot of you guys really like or are interested in, I've actually got them from just a regular fabric store. Could be Walmart, could be the closest fabric store you have to you, and just look for fabric and material that I like. I try to stay away from stiff fabric because then it's a little harder to tie. This one, for example, is very stretchy. And I'm gonna link a video to a little DIY that I did at the fabric store where I show you a little trick on how to help you keep the headscarf on your head. But yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of them I've also stolen from my mom's closet. Like, she's just given them to me when I used to live with her. So that's that. That is all I have for you guys today. Pretty short, sweet, simple. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.